To create a company header for use inside of PicPal, you will need to navigate to the Settings menu at the top left of the screen. And when you have clicked that, you will see the Global Default Settings tab. I will go over this entire dialog box in another video. Right now, we will just concentrate on the company header. In this same dialog box, click the second tab called Manage Company Info. Choose Add at the bottom of the dialog box. If you are using more than one monitor, be aware that the dialog box might open on one of your other screens. You should now see the Edit Company dialog box. There is a place for a shortcut code and a full company name. I will make something up for the purpose of this tutorial. We'll call the company John's Custom Remodeling and paste that into the company name field. We will then use the initials as the abbreviated shortcut code. We'll use JCR. The reason for the shortcut codes is just to make it faster to locate the correct header, as many people do work for many different construction companies, and so the letterhead has to be able to be changed quickly. You can choose between different company headers from a drop-down box that contains their shortcut codes. In the Information dialog box, you do not need to repeat the company names. This is where you would put all of your other contact info, such as address, phone, email, fax, etc. The last thing that you may want to do, and it's optional, is to add a company logo. Just make sure the logo is in a JPG file type. If you do not have a logo, it is really easy to locate one off of Google. Just be sure that you're not infringing on someone else's copyrights. You will need to just open a browser, preferably Chrome, and do an image search for the initials of your business name. So if we were looking for a logo for John's Custom Remodeling, we could Google JCR logo. Find one of the image results that is not copyrighted and download it. After you have entered all of the info for your company header, be sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box. You can now go into the Default Settings tab and choose your new company header from the drop-down box to be your new default header. If you already have a default header and only want to use this company header for this project, then you can click the Save button to the Exit Settings dialog and then click the PDF tab on the left of the screen. Now navigate downward to the Company Info drop-down and choose the header that you want to use with this specific project. Now let's see what the header looks like on a report. We'll make sure that the checkbox for Create PDF is checked and then press the Convert button. I have the PicPal output folder created by default onto my desktop, and so I will go there to open it and then choose the report folder and then open the PDF report. You'll see the logo that you uploaded on the far left margin with the company header info directly to the right of the logo. On the upper far right of the page, you will see any client or insurance carrier info that you supplied. As you can see, the header is attached on all pages of the report. Well, that's it for this video. Please take the short amount of time it will take to view all of the PicPal training videos.